Hey everyone, I'm just gloving up and we are going to do a 12 by 16 dirty pour with 3 cups, and my color palette for this is going to be blues, but they're going to be dark blues. So I'm using my WD-40 to spray the cups with, but I'm not going to rub it in, I'm just going to leave it. Oops, wrong size cups. That might help. And if I have leftover paint, I'll just throw it on some tiles. But lately, I've been pulling quite a few skins. I'm going to have a ton to pick from when I make jewelry. Alright. So I'm using iridescent Prussian blue. This is Prussian blue mixed with Artist Loft iridescent medium. It comes out really pretty. Lucas indigo, Lucas steel blue, which is a new color for me, Soho Payne's gray, Craft Smart midnight blue, it's metallic, Soho silver, and white. And I'll probably use a little bit of black, not much. And I think I'm going to throw in some blue ice pearls somewhere in there, and that's from Craft Smart as well. So I wanted to keep it all blue, so we'll see what happens. I want to move that aside and get my cups going. So I'm going to start with black. And I'm going to go right ahead and follow that with the silver. So then we're going to go ahead and add, I think I'll do the Soho Payne's gray. And then the Lucas steel blue. And get it open. I already shook these because I used them once already today, so I hope you're enjoying all the videos while I'm on vacation. I have my camera lower too, just for you. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead with the Lucas indigo. This is a little purpley blue, but I think we'll be alright. Reminds me of ink. Okay, and then I'll follow that with Craft Smart Blue Ice Pearl. And then the Midnight Blue. And then the iridescent Prussian blue. Okay, and then we're going to add just a touch of white here. And we're going to go reverse order. So we're going back with the Prussian. And we're not doing a lot on this round. Did I ever tell you guys how much I hate packing? I'm putting it off to like Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Alright, and then the black we're going to shove down through. So we have 3 beautiful colors, cups of color. And we're just going to go for it. Oh yeah, that would be awfully pretty on ceramic tiles. Prussian blue is so pretty. That's right here, and it's just sparkling. Got a lot coming up there. Okay. I wanted that Prussian blue on the top. And it's there, and it's there, and it's there. There's some there. So I think what I'm just going to do is just touch these edges. And I think I'm going to leave it. Let me just torch it and see if anything comes out of that. We may have to stretch it before we see any more cells. I have about 1/3 of a cup of paint there if we need it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this together and then come this way. And I think I'm going to go here next since I'm right there with the paint. I'm not sure I like that band there, so I'm going to go ahead and dump the other side, and that black circle in the middle better get some cells or it's going to get covered up. I'm not liking it at all. So I got some cells starting around it, but I don't like it at all. What I think I'm going to do is try to bring it to the side here, since I don't have to worry about anything getting stretched right now. Let's see if I can pour that off. I'm trying to get rid of part of that band there. Okay. I got rid of some of it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start torching and see if I can get something to come up through those bands. Everything had silicone, so we should see some cells somewhere here popping up. There's a lot of blue there. That pewter is just sticking right out inside those bands, which is cool. Get those air bubbles out first. Okay, let's see what we get. Nothing. Nothing on that pewter, that's for sure. But it kind of looks geode-y with the bands. So I may just leave this. And we could actually use this as a base with resin to geode it a little bit at a later date. It definitely would need a while to dry. There's some cells coming up through that black. Nothing on that pewter. But that's cool because that pewter is surrounded by that iridescent Prussian blue. So it looks really pretty. So if you're just joining me for the first time, go ahead and click subscribe. Click on that little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Check out my links below for the Amazon shopping page. I want to show you that iridescent. It's right there. It's just so pretty. But see how the iridescent is around the pewter. And the white is coming. That's not even white. That was the... Actually, it is white. But I also have that blue ice pearl in there too, which is here. But I think it's going to change quite a bit as it's sitting, because those paints were so dense. But yep, if you're looking for supplies, hit up my Amazon shop. And I will definitely see you guys on the next one. We'll be back live the last Monday in June. So make sure you check us out. And thanks for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye now.